We're going to try this new jewelry cleaner that I got as a present. It has been amazing. I've been cleaning literally everything that I own. I want to try my mom's class ring from the 1950s. I don't think this has ever been cleaned. So let's try it out. It's pretty dark red. We're going to pop it in the solution. The solution instructions come in the booklet. Pop it in, turn it on with this button. It's going to start moving. You can see clouds of dirt, decades of dirt coming off of this. And I thought it was honestly pretty clean to begin with, but look, there is just dirt billowing off this. So let it run its cycle. The cycle lasts a few minutes, but really not that long. I pop jewelry in, walk away, come back to get it out later. You can just see clouds and clouds coming off of this ring still through the whole cycle. So I really want to put everything else in there, just vintage things that you have, make sure they're all safe. But the instructions on how to clean jewelry safety are in there. And then when the cycle is done, you can just kind of dry it off. I rinse it off with cold water, but this thing is amazing. When the cycle's done, you can take it out, and I thought this was a dark red stone. It's actually more of a pink. You can see the facets in it now. The dirt is gone. It's amazing. So this is really small. You can just pop it in, tuck it away in the corner of your vanity. It also comes with these tweezers just for getting your jewelry in and out. We have this basket, like a drainer thing that you can also put your jewelry on. That works great. Plugs in, super quiet, super small. The instructions are clear, so definitely a recommended buy.